Hi everybody, it's Valentina with Cookies Paper Creations. Okay, so this is the box that we're going to make today. It's a really nice size box. You can fit a nice gift in here, okay? But I also wanted to show you this card that I came up with today. I am going to be going live on Sunday, and I will be making this card live. So if you want to go ahead and follow me on Facebook, I'll post the link below so you can head on over there and follow me. So when I do go live, you get a notification. Okay? So let's go ahead and get started with this box. And let me show you how this one works. So you just take the little belly band off, which is super cute. And then this just opens up like that. Isn't it adorable? I love it. And this paper is just amazing, right? I'm sure many of you guys have used it already. But this time we're going to be using the Sweet Soiree, the specialty cardstock. Ooh, you can see how shiny it is in the light. Look at that. It's so pretty. So we're going to be using this today. And we're going to be using some powder pink cardstock, which I already have cut just for the sake of the video. I'm going to show you my template. So that's my template, and this is the cardstock that we're going to be using. Okay, so the measurements are going to be in the description box, and they'll be on my blog. And if you go to my blog, you'll be able to print the instruction sheet for this project. Okay, so let's see. So the Sweet Soiree cardstock is in the Occasions catalog, and it is only available for another couple days. It goes away, what is it? March 31st. Okay. And also this amazing that I used, that was for free. I got that for free. And your chance to get that is till March 31st also. Okay, so it's 2, 5, 7, and 10 inches. And what is underneath? Okay. So that's, 2, 5, 7, and 10 inches. And then we're going to take this one and we're going to score it on 2 inches all the way around. Okay. All my craft stuff is on my kitchen table. Here's all my stuff. I put it in a little box. Oh, look at, here's another card I did today. Isn't it cute? I love it. It's blank inside, but so cute. Oh, wait, here's another one. Look, it's a birthday card. Don't you just love this paper? Love it. Okay. Sidetracked. I got sidetracked. Okay, so this is a little box that I keep all my stuff in. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to fold on all our score lines. So I'm going to just crease my score marks. Stampin' Up! Send me a new score tool for my scoreboard, and this also came with it. Isn't that cool? Thank you, Stampin' Up! Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to cut up these to the score line, and we're going to notch a little bit just to make the box fold. Make it super easy for you. Okay. So then it looks like this. If you wanted to use the designer series paper to make this box, you would go ahead and cut your 5 your 5 inches by 12 inches first. So you just go ahead and cut your 5 inches off, and then this piece is going to be for your actual box. This is the cover, this is the box, okay? But in this case, we're just going to cut our decorations. And I'm going to cut, I believe I have the directions. Okay, it's 1 3/4. We're going to cut 1 3/4. I'm going to cut 2 strips. So 1 3/4 and 1 3/4. And then I'm going to cut, I believe it's 4. What is this? So 2 3/4. We'll cut 2 3/4. And then I believe it is 4 3/4. So there's that. And we need, I'm just going to cut these together, 4 3/4 of this one also. Oops, sorry. I'm trying to do it so slow so it doesn't shake. And then you have this stuff to do some other projects with. We have for this piece, for here, and then we have another one to go there. Doesn't that look so pretty? Okay. All right, so let's put these on. I'm going to use this one I found at the local craft store. So I'm just going to put some on here and then place it in the center just to give it a little border across. This is a great Mother's Day box. Super duper cute. I think any mom would love this. So this is the bottom, obviously, and then it's gonna fold like that. Look at how pretty. Oh my goodness. Okay. I always get carried away. Okay, so let's put our box together. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Tombow on here, just so my box doesn't fall apart. You don't need a lot of this stuff. So just line these up. See? Isn't that cute? Okay, so now what you want to do is you want to take this and you just want to glue it in the center. And you want to take a little bit of adhesive up here and just glue it to the top. Okay, so this one, I had it stopped there, but I think I want this to open up completely and just close like that. You see? And then you open it up and there's your box. It's up to you, whatever you want to do. I mean, you can totally glue it closed But isn't it beautiful? It's the paper. It's the paper. Stampin' Up! Knows what they're doing. Look at that. Okay. And this is the stamp set that we're going to use. This is also free. I'm using a couple free things today. So this is free when you place a $50 purchase. And then the framelets that coordinate with that punch are free when you make a $100 purchase. Yeah. And this is one of the framelets that we're going to be using. And this is what it cuts out. Isn't that so gorgeous? It's so like elegant and beautiful, and it's going to go perfect with this. So let me get all my goodies out of the box. I brought 2 ribbons so we can decide which one we're going to use. So we're going to be using U and the R Simply on this. I already have them mounted. I'm going to be using the layering oval framelets, which I've already cut my stuff out because I didn't want to bring my Big Shot up here. It was just going to shake way too much. So I cut the oval framelit out with the, I forgot what pink paper this is, but with the pink cardstock to kind of go with this. And I also did the same thing with the Amazing, and then I used some Whisper White for the sentiment. Okay, so I'm going to be using Rich Razzleberry on this one. I had a class tonight, and I used the same colors, and it was just beautiful. I'm like, I have to make another one like that. So the way I lined up U and R Simply is I put my U there, and then I lined up the A right underneath the O. Stamp this. And then I'm going to take my glue, and I'm just going to rub just a little. I don't even need that over there because I'm not going to put that down. But you don't need a lot. Oh my gosh, look at how pretty this is. This is just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. And then I'm going to take these enamel dots. Aren't they so cute? And I'm going to use the dark ones. I'm going to stick one there, and then I'll stick one right up there. Like that. Okay, and then I'm going to pop this up with dimensionals onto my scalloped oval. Just like this. How pretty is that, guys? Love it. Okay, let's get this stuff out of the way. So we have to decide what ribbon we want to use with this. I don't know if I should. I think I'm going to use the pink. I don't know. Let's see. I might use the pink just because, I don't know. How does that look up there? Yeah, I think I'm going to use the pink just because I think it matches better. And I'm going to give myself plenty of ribbon Stampin' Up! Gives you like 10 yards of this stuff. So, I mean, you have a lot. So, to close it, I'm going to... Uh-oh, did I get an enamel dot on here? I did. Okay, so to close it, I'm going to meet my ribbon at the top. See if I do this right. Okay. Like I said in my last video, you make a loop, you bring it over and under. Let's see. All right, that doesn't look good. Okay, that looks okay, right? And then you're gonna trim your edges. Yeah, that looks cute. And then slide it over wherever you want it. And I'm going to take dimensionals and I'm going to put one there and one a little further down. And I'm going to take my little gift tag and I'm going to set it right in the middle. Just like this. And there you go. There you have your box. Okay. So when you go to give your box away, all they do is just slide this little belly band off. They slide it off and open up, and there's a little gift inside. So cute. All right, so if you have any questions, let me know. I would love to hear what you think about this box. Remember, all the dimensions are going to be on my blog and in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you soon. Don't forget to go to my Facebook page and follow me so we can make this card together on Sunday. Okay? Have a great day.